What is up, guys? What's going on? We got another video for you today. We're going to be talking about Chainlink. What is Chainlink? AKA Link, the crypto coin. We're going to get into it. Understanding a Chainlink, beginner's guide to decentralized Oracle network. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, Chainlink stands out as a pivotal player, bridging the gap between blockchain technology and real-world applications. For newcomers to crypto, Chainlink, often abbreviated as Link, is not just another digital coin. It's a decentralized Oracle network designed to make smart contracts more powerful and versatile. Launched in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis, Chainlink addresses a fundamental limitation of blockchains: their inability to access external data reliably. Imagine a smart contract on Ethereum that needs real-time stock prices or weather data to execute. Without Chainlink, that's impossible because blockchains are isolated systems. Chainlink acts as a secure middleman, feeding verified off-chain information into on-chain environments, enabling a host of innovative uses. At its core, Chainlink operates as a network of independent nodes computers that retrieve, verify, and deliver data to smart contracts. These nodes, called oracles, ensure data integrity through decentralization, meaning no single entity controls the information flow, reducing risk of manipulation or downtime. The native token Link plays a crucial role here. It's used to pay node operators for their services, incentivizing accurate data provision. Additionally, Link holders can stake their tokens to secure the network, earning rewards while helping maintain its reliability. As of August 2025, Link has evolved significantly, with features like staking and cross-chain services enhancing its robustness. This utility token isn't minted like Bitcoin. Its supply is capped at 1 billion, with about 60% in circulation, creating scarcity that can influence its value. Chainlink's utility shines brightest in its diverse use cases, which extend far beyond simple data feeds. In decentralized finance, DeFi, Chainlink provides tamper-proof price oracles for assets like cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities. This is essential for lending platforms like Aave, where accurate collateral valuations prevent liquidations based on faulty data. For instance, DeFi protocols rely on Chainlink to handle over $93 billion in total value secured as of mid-2025. A 90% surge from the previous year. Another key is verifiable random function, which generates probably fair randomness for applications like minting, gaming, and lotteries. This ensures outcomes aren't rigged, fostering trust in blockchain-based games and digital collectibles. Looking ahead, Chainlink's role in real-world assets, RWAs, is gaining traction. By tokenizing physical assets like real estate or bonds on the blockchain, Chainlink enables seamless integration with traditional finance. The proof of reserve feature verifies that reserves back tokenized assets, combating fraud in stablecoins and tokenized funds. Cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP, allows secure data and token transfers across different blockchains, solving fragmentation issues in the crypto ecosystem. In 2025, this has propelled adoption in enterprise sectors, including insurance, where smart contracts pay out based on real events like natural disasters, and supply chain management, tracking goods with immutable data. Chainlink's automation tools further streamline processes by triggering actions based on off-chain events, such as automatic payments upon delivery confirmation. These utilities make Chainlink indispensable for blockchains. Final stage of adoption. As it connects trillions in capital markets to decentralized tech, partnerships are a cornerstone of Chainlink's success, boasting over 2,000 integrations as of August 2025. It collaborates with tech giants like Google Cloud and Oracle for data provision, enhancing Oracle accuracy. In finance, ties with SWIFT, the global banking messaging system, enabling cross-border payments using blockchain. Recent partnerships include MasterCard, allowing over 3 billion cardholders to buy crypto on-chain directly, and Japan's SBI Group for institutional digital asset adoption. DeFi leaders like GMX and Synthetics use Chainlink for price feeds, while traditional institutions such as JP Morgan and Euroclear leverage it for tokenized assets. These alliances not only validate Chainlink's technology, but also drive real-world utility, positioning it as the industry standard Oracle platform. Expert price predictions for Link vary, reflecting crypto's volatility, but many are optimistic due to growing adoption. As of late August 2025, Link trades around $21 to $22, down from peaks, but showing bullish momentum. For 2025, analysts from Chainlink forecast a range of $18.88 to $26, with potential highs at $30 if resistance at 26.50 breaks. Investing Haven sees $25 to $30, while Coinpedia up to $32 amid CCIP growth. Looking to 2026, predictions widen. Binance estimates 23.78 average, but Cryptopolitan eyes $70 highs. Long-term views are bolder. Token metric sites forecast up to $253 by 2030, driven by RWA tokenization. On X, experts like Clairhawk_cap predict $1,000 by 2026. My God. Citing institutional demand and supply locks via Chainlink Reserve, others like Hayes 5178 see $100 as inevitable, with $10 to $12 as buy zones during dips. However, bearish scenarios exist, with some warning of a drop to $15 if market conditions hit. Factors like ETF filings, example Bitwise, and whale accumulation could fuel rallies. In conclusion, Chainlink is more than a cryptocurrency. It's the backbone enabling blockchains' real-world integration. For newbies, investing in Link means betting on the infrastructure powering DeFi and RWA, aka real-world assets, and beyond. While partnerships and utilities bolster its case, price predictions underscore the need for caution in a speculative market. Always research and consider risks before diving in. With blockchain adoption accelerating in 2025, Chainlink's future looks promising, potentially rewarding patient holders. That's it for today's link video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned a little something about Chainlink. Do you hold Chainlink yourself? Are you looking to invest in it? Do you have anything to add about Chainlink? Just put it down in the comment section, guys. Let me know. And also, we have a banner rotating there at the top. If you guys want to get some free crypto, hit that affiliate link down in the description. It's that link.bio link, takes you to all my affiliate links. Sign up at Coinbase, and if you deposit like $20 and trade $20, you get $30 for free. I mean, how do you beat that deal? And then on Uphold, if you deposit and trade $100, you get another $20 for free there on Uphold. Many different links on that simple.bio link where you get free crypto. There's BitTrue and BTCC also offering free crypto on deposits, and they offer leverage trading. But tread carefully if you do leverage trading, because it is very tricky, and you can lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. So be careful. Always do your research. I am not a financial advisor. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Smash up the like, share with your friends, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good day, and peace out till next time.